All right, y'all. So, like the title of the stream says, I am gonna be speedrunning code. Now, let me just give you guys the current thing I have going on. Um, it surely isn't the best, but it will give us a very. Let me just copy this. But basically, as you can see, I have no folder, no nothing. If I just start speedrun, I can start the palindrome, and boom. Now we just boom, and as you can see, we have no blunders. I've already done the front end basically. As you can see, it's pretty good. It's only JavaScript for now, but I will end up adding more languages. I just did JavaScript because it's the easiest to basically do, because all you have to do is just run the JavaScript in JavaScript. Well, TypeScript, but still JavaScript. Um, and yeah, you can get your summary here. You even have a active like a timer here. Let me just restart my speed run here so you guys can see it. As you can see, and as it goes on by minutes, it will move like this. H D D, yes, even as days, or D H and minutes, and of course seconds, point ms. And let's make our first blunder. As you can see, blunders are not currently visible. Let's do this function, and let's make our a second blunder, which is returning a invalid value, and boom. So as you can see, s is not defined. I'll put blunder 2 because blunder here and blunder here. This is the second. As you can see, this is what it should have done, should have expected, I guess. Now here's the thing though. Currently, it's not that live. You only get the summary is fine, not being like exactly here, but basically, I kind of removed those, but I do want those, so I feel like we need to um work on that. So as you can see here, we have past, 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 and whatnot. But here's the problem. Like I said, we need to show these in the beginning. And if I start speedrun now, as you can see, no results. Yeah, blah blah blah, stuff like that. So um yeah, let's get started here. So what can we do here? Probably the best thing is running this after here, so that way we can at least kind of just show it. And now the submit speedrun is what we need to also do. And as you can see, yeah, we have a lot of stuff here that could otherwise be pretty useful if we add here. And as you can see, this is our blunders here. So I guess we can also add that here. And yeah, let's just hope for the best, I guess. Oh wait, no, this is if it's invalid, so else we're just gonna put this here, and yeah. Now let's just F5 here. this is gonna be a better test, because now we can start our speed run with palindrome. Hello world function test and return false. As you can see, we have a summary, and those are the blunders. As you can see, it still fails obviously, but you know, we have a we have to basically get an argument here, I. If I, or hold on, yeah, if I dot strip or dot trim, I think, dot split um dot trim again, no, dot join is equals to I. I feel like this is palindrome right here, so I mean, oh, it's for reversing. Oh, okay, okay, makes sense. Oh wait, dot split, and oh yeah, so dot join. I forgot what palindrome was for a second. Okay, well, yeah. As you can see every single blunder ever made here in this session. And you even had a bit of live summary, so that you know you can check whether or not you actually did it. But yeah, obviously it might not be as advanced as leetcode when it comes to, you know, code testing, I guess, but you know, we're gonna get there. You know, we're like currently we're not advancing that way, because you know our goal eventually is gonna be to get a speed running platform, not a code testing platform. So I mean, it's technically a code testing, well, whatever. So git commit, what can this be called? Live summary. All right, so start speedrun palindrome. Okay, wait. So no results yet. Start a speedrun. Why does it? Hold on. So update tree message. Over here, it's not refreshing. Yeah. So start speedrun palindrome. All right. So whoa, what was that at the end? That was, I mean, no, that's fine. That's fine. Okay. um, on submit. All right, so I feel like that's good. Um, we have quite a lot of stuff now, but this is good. Um, we even have a cancel speed run. Wait, can we like close this tab technically? Well, we can, but you know. I feel like now it's just like add more options. So I guess let's see here. For my programming speed running platform, give me um by the way, I changed my profile picture. I I was bored. You know, I liked Shad Cien's profile picture. You know, it's cool. So I just did this for some reason. It's cool though. This is cool. So 8 stars by the way on my new thing, and Spark as well. Shout out to Akin, man. We need like where is it? Speed code. Currently there's only 2 repos, however, you know, problems here. Resources. So as you can see, this is like the current stuff we have going on. However, let's uh let's kind of just move this on a folder. um Problems slash palindrome.json. All right, so I know it might seem weird, but we need to delete this file. And boom. Okay, so now that this is on problems, we need to change that here. So in the extension, we have problems, blah, 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 main slash problems. Well, let's first test this out because, like, you know, something might happen here. I know, you know, it will not work, but why not? Palindrome not found. Problems. Boom. Works. Okay, so yeah. Give me a list of problems this format. Okay, palindrome, lit anagram, listen, silent. Format. Add as many test cases as you can to verify it actually is functional. In this format, you can add as many to verify the test is actually functional. Like I said, do different problems. Or you know what? Input arg1, arg2, expected value. All right, so let's add file here, create new file to sum.json. Fib .json. Boom. I've never done any of these. Well, I've done Fibonacci, but like, you know what I mean. Factorial. Damn, that does not look, that looks weird. Why? Oh, okay. I was like, what was going on? Reverse words in a sentence. JSON. Find missing number JSON. Boom. All right, so obviously Fibonacci, I am doing that first here. Fibonacci. Okay, so I'm just gonna run Fibonacci now. I don't remember exactly how, so Fibonacci, JavaScript. Okay, most Fibonacci I've seen was recursion, so good, we have something different, I guess. What? Okay. Okay, so yeah, no function was defined in the code. So this is when you do it too fast. I'm gonna do something about that, don't worry. So 0, 1. Okay, so yeah, it passed. Nice. We can even start it again. Nice. All right. So find Fibonacci factorial, find missing number. Okay, so factorial, find missing number. So I'm gonna, so we have already lower case this, however, hold on. Lower case, yeah, so right here, and then we replace spaces with dashes. That way, you know, it works. So find missing number, Fibonacci, factorial, anagram, palindrome already added, reverse words in a sentence. To sum. Okay, I'm just gonna add this as the first result. To sum. You know what? Name dot replace dashes with underscores. You know, just in case. All right, this is good. So, you know, let's test this, I guess. All right. Let's do twosome. Oh, we already started. Okay, so twosome Java. Screw. Yeah, I need to improve my skills on stuff like this, man, because I'm making a platform and I don't know how to work on it. That's like crazy. By the way, you can leave this code if you'd like. You know, it would still work. Oh no, unless it won't. Yeah, so we need to function. Okay, I guess I deserved it then, because I have to remove this. Boom. Okay, didn't even pass the test, man. What? Give me the answer in JS for twosome. Um, okay, boom, passed. 1 minute 18 seconds. That's kind of bad, I feel like. Also these are the blunders. Whoa, what? Sometimes it didn't even return, man. Okay, that's kind of weird. But anyways, at least we have twosome now. All right, so what's that website called? Like Minecraft speedrun thing? Is it just this? Okay, so yeah, leaderboard. Start here. Oh, there you go. So yeah, there's like, yeah, I want to do something like this, bro. Legit. Okay, do we just make it right now, man? I feel like we can. Yeah, we can finish it this in like 2 hours maybe. All right, so let's see. What changes did we do? Added more problems. Git push. Now let's go into GitHub now. Okay, just new, I guess, repository on my speed code organization. So what do we call this? I guess we can just call it leaderboard. The leaderboard website, as well as docs and stuff. No, 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 the leaderboard. the speed code leaderboard website. What? Damn. That would have been speed code leaderboard code dot. All right, so let's I mean, I do see kind of like a theme here going on. There's like a cool back press, and there's like this. I don't know whether or not I should use like a UI. No, definitely not. Like, what is it gonna do, man? So I guess, I mean, I can still add a UI library, but what would the use for that be, you know? Unless there's like shed TN tweaks. We let's see here. Start customize. This is like a AI theme generator, man. It's cool. So like generate here, we just, what do we generate, man? What do we even generate? Okay, so like a black, well, for black we can just use this theme, but it's, I don't know. I'm like dude, I swear on God, like this was like different a little while ago, man. Like it was a bit different from whatever this is. I remember this being like dark, kind of like this, but like not really. I don't know. Anyways, so like, what do we even do here? Do we just like create a theme, or do we just go from scratch? Let's go from scratch. Yeah, we can go from scratch. It's fine. All right, so simply just npx here, create next app at latest dot. God damn it. TypeScript, yep, no Eastland, yes, Tailwind. So I just press enter a few times. Okay, so while that does its thing, okay, so obviously there is ads, which is kind of cool. I do want this is like, I want to add ads here. I know it seems a bit, not the best, but once I do actually get along and like have a community, I want to add ads here. Anyways, so app here. What happened? Why is everything like this? Um okay, let's reset. I forgot to do, I guess that's what you do when you do the latest, so don't press enter blindly, I guess. TypeScript, tailwind. So, yep, I would like my code in a source directory. I pressed enter a few times again, but this is like, yeah, this is good. All right, so npm run dev and okay, yeah, port 3001. Okay, let's go. All right, why am I so zoomed in? Okay, there we go. That was pretty simple. Now let's get to make the app, I guess. So I'm gonna start off by just like, do I even make this like leaderboard like here? Yeah, it is here. So like I will make it here, I guess. So let's do div here and let's add another div, and you know, because there's two divs here, we're gonna do class name here. We have tailwind, so we can do w dash or actually we can do padding in here. That would be better. Px dash 96. How would that look like? bg dash amber dash 50. Hello question mark. Okay, there we go. That looks good. Kinda, I guess. H dash full. H dash full. Oh, I think it's the width. So yeah, let's do w dash full here. You know what? How about instead of padding, we do this a bit more classically, I guess. We just do like w dash full here, h dash or s size dash full, and basically we just do mx dash auto here, w dash max, or you know what, w, let's define this. So I guess we do 96. I don't know what else to do here. H dash full, or yeah, so now let's hello world here. Okay, so that's weird. You know what? I'm gonna remove this. But I'm not making a flex box just for this, man. It's like simple stuff. So it should. Or you know what? I think the padding example was way better than this. Or we can do margin x dash 96. Okay, there we go. So bg dash amber dash 400. I don't know why it's not doing any rendering. Maybe we need to do a box. Okay, wait, so flex, let's do flex first. No, okay, whatever. So size dash full. Does that work? Okay, no, it doesn't want to work. Okay, fair enough, fair enough. I'll just leave it then. All right, so then we just do I mean, it still technically it still works because you know we got it there, but Okay, so mx dash, what's the highest mx? 96. So we need a, wait, how much RAM is that? 96. Okay, so times 96. 96 RAM. What's going on? 50 RAM. Okay, yeah, 50. So more, actually, more of like 35. Yeah, that's good, I guess. Yeah, it's perfect. It's perfect. So now we just add another. We want to add. What else can we add here? I mean, this top bar, we can add that first. It's more of like here actually, so yeah. And now we just add a div here called navbar, w dash full, h dash 52, bg dash amber dash 50. Okay, so yeah, definitely not 52, more of like 16, I guess. Yeah. Maybe a little lower, more like 14. Yeah, that's good. That's perfect. So now we just color this bg dash gray dash 900 silver. Hold on 1 second. Let me AC. Okay, so 950. Okay, you know what? That's good. So yeah, that's good, I guess. We just do. So that's our nav bar done. Let's do this leaderboard thing. Now that I think about it, we should have done. You know what? No, it's fine. Um, yeah. So this leaderboard thing is like a div, quite large. It's like we can probably just implement like a scroll feature here, so we don't have to scroll like this. But for now, I'll just do the outer div. So class name. Um, let's do w dash full here. I know it's weird, but this is okay. Wait. Table in React. Okay, so source components slash table.tsx. and table export function table. So like basically data is gonna be array of arrays of any. That's like gonna be rows and columns, I think. Preferably string would be nice. Columns here. We're just gonna do a string array. Bro, what's going on? In React TypeScript. Yeah, so interface, export interface, speed run. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. Table. Speedrun. Okay, yeah, that should work. So just remove this shit. Alright, so boom. Okay, so obviously we're gonna just change that afterwards, but you know, just for testing. Data users speedrun. All right, let's see. Boom. Okay. So let's ask ChatGPT this now. Let's F2 here. Speedrun table. Table props. Yeah, we can keep that. We can keep. Okay, so export interface speedrun here. We want. Okay. Make. What do we say? Make this look modern. Okay. Yeah, that's good. However, it is still kind of missing out on a few things. Yeah, so bg-white black here. Okay, so that's being used there. So we're gonna do dash neutral dash 900. Make it black. Make it dark themed. Why is the formatting not working in this? No, I don't want a cold theme. I just want natural dark. Yeah, that's good actually. So now, I guess we just want to kind of just do this here. So, hashtag. So the hashtag here, where can we use this? Oh wait, this is in, hold on. What do we even call this? Podium? I mean, hold on. What is the code name for first, second, third place? No, not the code name. What is it? Oh, rank. Okay, well, fair enough. Rank, I guess. Boom. Or let's do rank. Boom. So this is gonna be hashtag and so like let's say we go to the last page. Is it gonna be like 999? No, it's quite big actually. So yeah, I guess we just make it into thousands. How do I change the size of the first item? The width. Oh, so is it just okay? I mean, hold on, let's see this. Oh, okay. So yeah, let's do W-14. Yeah, 14 is good. Maybe a bit lower because there's like some weird spacing going on. I want equal spacing. Maybe like W12. Damn, what is going on? Okay, so there we go. Still not equal. Oh, whatever. I don't think it's that much of a problem. Yeah, it's good. It's good. It's not that bad. I don't know. Anyway, so like that's good. We need the what do we even call this? The programmer or the player? Let's call it the player because it's player here. And obviously not email, but we're gonna do run or problem. Yeah. So obviously the player, we're gonna do W like 52 or something. Yeah, that's good. Problem, we're gonna do, I don't know what we're gonna do. We can do W-52 again. But let's add another thing here. Yeah, we can add this now. All right, so, oh, wait, time, yeah, problem. Okay, so, let's do time here. User.time. All right, so time is, I know that looks weird, but I guess we can add like a number in here. So number, and we can format it using our formatter we made for this. All right, so format. We're gonna do okay, so yeah. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna do D. Wait, is it capital? Nope, not capital. Okay, so this is minutes, or sorry, yeah, min. And this is gonna be seconds. And this is gonna be seconds, 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 minutes. What's going on there? All right, so okay, 1 second. All right, so like, we need like, I mean, this is good, but like, hold on. 1 minute 0.00. Okay, yeah, we need to. Math.floor here. All right, so we're just gonna do H here, M. We're gonna do D here. You know what? I feel like there's a better way to do this. Never mind. I'm just gonna go continue. H here. What is going on? Hold on, is this correct? Is this correct? It probably isn't, but yeah, that's what I would have done, man. Yes. Okay. So now, yep, 16 hours, 14 minutes. Okay, so 3600 plus the, yeah, okay, so obviously like 30 minutes and 2 seconds. Whoa, what? Oh yeah. Okay, so yeah, okay, that's good. Now let's do problem string. Yeah, okay, so I'm just gonna do Charlie for now. We're gonna do time, no, a problem, to sum. Problem to sum. So now after the problem, we're gonna do time, date. Yeah, I guess we can do date. So we have in-game time, date, version, difficulty. Okay, so problem, date, date. Okay, so date is update dot now. Yeah, so we're gonna do date dot how do I format a number date time stamp in. Yo, what's up? I didn't see your chat. I was trying to find this. Yo, how's it going? I'm not sure what are we supposed. I forgot the name, and it was like, but I don't want to use a library for this, so type. How do I format in Node.js? Oh, okay, so date user.date dot to ISO string. Okay. To local date string. Yeah, that's good. However, to year, month, and day. Yeah, so yeah, date FNS. I mean, to be fair, date FNS does actually kind of give us an advantage, so you know what? I feel like we can do a go, like how it's here. Yeah, we can definitely do that. So date. Okay, so let's format here. Um, all right, so format stir. Okay, so we're gonna do, how do I do a go message format like 2 days ago. Something is up with my internet. Bro, what? All right, so timestamp 2022 month day convert 56 years ago. Yeah, that's not right. Okay. So I just need to add 2 zeros. Or hold on. There we go. So this was in 2022, so that's 3 years ago. Nice. And we want a hover effect. So let's do that. How do I add a a, a tooltip hover? All right, yeah, that's good. Okay, so yeah, yeah, this is like a good leaderboard, I guess. We just need to kind of just add a margin top here, or like we can make this a div, we just gap it, but that will not be pleasing, so we'll just do empty dash 4 5 or something. Yeah. Let's just add a lot of Charlies here. And then we can okay, 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, I mean this is good. We have pretty fair thing, I guess. Now let's see here. So game stats. Okay. Interesting. So yeah, latest runs, latest threads. Oh, we have threads. Yeah, we need a lot. Yeah, we need a lot of stuff to work on now. However, that's fine. That's why we use Next.js for this. We just need to create an account system, and basically that's it. So I'm just gonna make like a simple API maybe, or nah, we'll just do this, I guess. So let's do page to some. I did this in okay. I don't know why it okay. So times 60 problem to some. I'll just do like 63. Yeah. Also 63 because, you know. Yo, what's up? How's it going, guys? Um, I'm doing good. To some 3 years ago. Wait, hover? Okay, cool. Time 1 minute 30 seconds. Cleo 1. Okay, yeah, this is good. I'm just gonna git dash a git push dash am working leaderboard. No, I'm well, technically yes and no. So I'm coding a platform for speedrunning, um basically speedrunning programming. You just like, hold on, I'll show you in a sec. Lead wait, what am I doing? Git push dash am. Okay, git commit. Have I commit? No. 1 second. I'll just finish this. Okay, yeah, there we go. All right, so let me show you what basically I'm doing. I have this thing here. Let's open this. Let's run this. Let's hope it runs without environment problems. Otherwise, I'm not gonna be very happy. Okay, it runs. Nice. So, basically, you start a speed run here. You select a speedrun to some, for example, and you code. And as you can see, there's a live timer down here. By the way, let me just make this easier for you guys. There's a live timer down here, and in this timer, you just have to complete this. So, you know, shift plus enter once you're done, and you have your results. In my case, I didn't do any blunders because I don't have any errors, but as you can see, all my tests passed. And it's basically you just solve problems. So now let me just kind of just, for example, add a blunder. So let me just restart to some. Let's only return true, for example. For some reason, it's still, yeah, so it failed because, you know, as you can see, the output, and we expected false. Thank you. I'm I don't know where I'm gonna go with this project, honestly. I just feel like, you know, it would be nice to speedrun code and see what the community makes with it. You know, I watched Minecraft speedrun, so why not add that to something else? And, you know, you can also make your own problems here. You can upload them. Oh, damn. Hold on. I've been trying to get some more into coding and refresh my memory. Did some classes before, so that's really neat. Oh, nice. If you want to get into, like, you know, a bit more into coding, I just recommend you, hold on, where is it? Stars. I just recommend you do I even have it here? No, I don't. Just look into GitHub resources. Find some good learning resources. There's like a lot of learning resources you can find, especially on GitHub. So just look for those. I mean, I pretty much did everything I need to do for now. I just need to now plan what I'm gonna do next. So okay, let's see our roadmap. Do we? Okay, we barely even have anything. Okay, so that's done. Let's create a backlog item. Uh, what do we call this? So like, create a API that's all right. Take care, man. See ya. Here's here. What do we even need to secure? We need like security for the thing, don't we? Like, because we don't want to send API requests and like that assumption that makes like a assumption that that's like the result. So you know, we don't want any cheating here. So I guess a good way to combat that is like YouTube. You just need to upload a YouTube video of your coding, which speed speed run. Yeah, so like for example this, hold on. So yeah, for example this, you have this YouTube video, the seed. Yeah, I mean, we even have comments. That's how community thingy is this. So this is good. However, we just want like we need mods for this. As seen here, there's like, oh wait, no, that's mods. Okay, so yeah, submitted. This is the guy who verified it, which let's see, this is there like a rank here? No, but yeah. So we need like something of some sort to just make a community out of this. We first need a community before we even make the app. That's kind of how it works, I guess. I mean, not really as well. We can also make it like we can also make something by just like creating like a Reddit post or something, but like that's after we make the app and people will upload stuff and I am gonna be the mod basically. I'm gonna verify it. But I don't know. Anyways, I'm just gonna head out, man. I don't even know what to do. I'm I have 8 stars on Sui now. 13 on linear Linux. Wait, let me check my home real quick. Oh damn. Someone started my repository. Currently doing embedded work, that's all. But if you desire to know more, check me out at embedded software engineer. Oh nice. He even has a blog post. Whoa, what the hell? Oh, okay, I'm not gonna look in. That's kind of painful to look at. Even a few words about me below. My name is Patrick, and I'm a embedded software engineer that likes to proud himself. That likes to proud himself that he's quite decent in most of UI field of IT. Bro, what is my reading doing? Oh damn. Is that a dragster, man? Okay, so advanced links. Still working on getting better, but that's something I'm working on. Spent several years on it. Oh, nice. Pure, Pure Z Racing, where I develop my skills. Okay, nice. Right now I'm a melt system where I gain a lot of, blah blah blah. Branding, even though. Bro, why do I always right click my, I don't know, man. Book me, what is this? Oh no, I'm not doing Microsoft stuff. Okay, that's cool. 326 contributions. That's pretty good. Oh, it's in private stuff. Okay, cool. So yeah, this guy is like corporate stuff. So nice. 1.3. One, bro, what am I, what is my reading? 1.7K. Nice. PL, I saw Poland. Is this a PL website? Yeah, this guy is Polish. Wait. Yeah, this guy is Polish. Nice. Do we still have Westlang? Oh, damn, we still do. Let's see. Oh, fuck. Never mind. Oh, yeah. Remember implementing this package system? It's it doesn't work though because I don't have the backend. So yeah, but like, man, I was such a beginner back then, man. Okay, but it's still like cool though. I still did make a functional programming language, like not functional as in like that's like the system. Like I made it like work, basically work function, not functional function. Anyways, um, I currently am liking how I'm going with everything. I got 1K commits in 2025, which no, I don't. I have like 800 or something. Nice. Okay, yeah, we need to bump this to 1K, man. I need to go to 1K commits. I I want to do this so badly. I don't know why. I just want to. I feel like also my bio is kind of lacking. I'm not gonna lie. I just have this and the text, which I mean back then I just used to have this, so it's like kind of an upgrade, but I just want some more stuff to add here. Anyways, I'm just gonna go now. I feel like I yapped for enough.